Is the airflow problem coming from a clogged filter or restricted ductwork rather than a failing motor? Start by measuring baseline system behavior with simple observations. Note how long the blower runs and whether airflow at vents is weak or pulsing. Replace the air filter with a known clean filter and immediately recheck vent flow to see if there is noticeable improvement. Next, close a few interior registers and measure relative flow at a nearby test vent by cup or hand feel. If closing registers increases flow at the test vent, the motor is producing enough pressure and restriction is downstream. Visually inspect accessible duct runs and the plenum for crushed, disconnected, or collapsed sections and for large debris or bird nests. Remove obstructions you can reach and seal visible leaks with foil tape or mastic. For a more controlled test, separate duct sections by temporarily taping a plastic bag or large sheet over vent openings one at a time, and compare changes at the plenum output by feeling or using a simple manometer app and a tube if available. If you can, place a temporary flexible duct between the plenum and a floor vent so you can isolate house ductwork from the furnace cabinet and confirm whether the blower alone produces strong, steady flow. Common mistakes are assuming the motor is bad after one observation, not replacing a dirty filter first, and failing to isolate duct sections before swapping parts. If you jump to motor replacement after only 1 week airflow check, you waste time and money. Always install a clean filter and retest first. Ignoring disconnected or collapsed ducts leads to recurring failures because the root restriction remains. Repair or reconnect any visible duct damage before pursuing major components. And not isolating the plenum from house runs can hide whether the blower output is healthy. Temporarily capping or isolating sections tells you whether the restriction is in the motor cabinet or downstream. We at BigHomeProjects.com help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work by listing projects and contact details matched to location and trades. We also host a discussion community where we share diagnostics tips and poster experiences so you can ask questions and get feedback from neighbors and professionals.